students, this is Bharat Kumar. You are going to see standard 9 max geometry, that is construction of centroid of a triangle. The point of congruency of the median of a triangle is called the centroid of the triangle and is usually denoted by G. So this is the diagram, children. A, B, C is the vertex and G is the centroid of the triangle. G is the centroid of the triangle. It's clear, children? Now we'll see one example. Page number 115, example 4.12. Construct the centroid of triangle PQR whose sides are PQ equal to 8 cm, QR equal to 6 cm, RP equal to 7 cm. Given the sides of triangle are, right, PQ equal to 8 cm, QR equal to 6 cm, RP equal to 7 cm. Children, in construction, first you have to write given, then rough diagram, fair diagram, then if it is proof is necessary, you have to write proof, then construction. It's clear, children? Now you have to draw rough diagram. Rough diagram. So in rough diagram, the given triangle, side PQ, QR and RP. First draw a triangle. So vertex P, Q, R. It's clear, children? PQ is given as 8 cm, QR is equal to 6 cm, RP equal to 7 cm. It's clear, children? Now we will draw a fair diagram. First draw PQ equal to 8 cm. Draw PQ equal to how many centimeter? 8 centimeter. PQ equal to 8 centimeter. From Q to R, you are going to take radius 7 centimeter. Going to take radius 7 cm, Q to R. So Q to R radius is what? 7 cm. So take scale, measure 7 cm. Measure 7 cm. Clear, children? So measure 7 cm from Q. Just cut an arc, radius 7 cm. It's clear, children? And from rough diagram, QR equal to 6 cm. QR equal to 6 cm. From Q to R, measure 6 cm. From Q to R radius is what? 6 centimeter. Okay. Now this point is what? R. R. Join PR. Join PR. Write 7 centimeter and RQ 6 centimeter. Now construct the perpendicular bisector of any two sides. So totally 3 sides we have, PQ, QR and PR. You construct any 2 sides. So we'll take PQ and QR. PQ and QR. I'm going to take this side and this side, right? PQ and QR. To find the midpoints of M and N of PQ and QR. So first you are going to find the midpoint of PQ. Midpoint of PQ. So take compass, you take more than half, okay, more than half. Okay, again from Q. Let's clear, children. Now extend the line. That is perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector of PQ. Perpendicular bisector of PQ. This point is M. This point is what? M. It's clear, children. Take another side. QR. Take perpendicular bisector. From Q, take more than half. We're going to draw a perpendicular bisector. From R, cut arc like this. With the help of scale, so from here to here, first adjust the scale like this, then draw a line like this. Okay. Now, this point you consider as G. Consider this point as N. This point as N. I'll write here, children, N. It's clear, children. Now you are going to draw the median of Pn. You are going to draw a median of Pn. See, children, from P to N. Okay. With the help of scale, draw a line. P to N. It's clear, children. And same way you draw another median Rm from R to M. Okay. Both the lines intersect at point G. Again, this point is G. It's clear, children. If it is needed, you can extend the another median also. This point is G. This is the centroid of a triangle. It's clear, children. G is the centroid of the triangle. G is the centroid of the given triangle. It's clear, children. For this, now you're going to write the steps of construction. First step, step 1, draw triangle PQR using the given measurement PQ equal to 8 centimeter, QR equal to 6 centimeter and RP equal to 7 centimeter. Construct the perpendicular bisector. Step 2, construct the perpendicular bisector of any two sides. So we have considered PQ and QR to find the midpoints, M and N, to find midpoints M and N of M of PQ and N of QR. PQ and QR respectively. Step 3, Third step, draw the medians PN and RM and let them meet at G. Step 4, the point G is the centroid of the given triangle PQR. It's clear, children? This is example 4.12. Let us see exercise sum. 4.5, question number 1. Construct the triangle LMN such that LM equal to 7.5 cm, MN equal to 5 cm and LN equal to 8 cm. Locates its centroid. Solution. Given triangle LMN, so LM equal to 7.5 centimeter, MN equal to 5 centimeter, LN equal to 8 centimeter. It's clear, children? Next you are going to draw rough diagram. Rough diagram. So draw a triangle, children. L, M, N. LM is what? 7.5 centimeter. MN is 5 centimeter. LN is equal to 8 centimeter. It's clear, children? 3 sides of a triangle were given. Now you are going to draw a fair diagram. Draw LM equal to how many centimeter? 7.5 centimeter. LM equal to some, with the help of rough diagram itself you can draw, you can take the point, children. With the help of rough diagram you can draw a fair diagram. Say LM equal to 7.5. So measure exactly 7.5. L M is 7.5 centimeter. MN value is 5 centimeter. With the help of scale measure MN is 5 centimeter. So M to N take exact 5 centimeter. It's clear, children? 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter from N. Radius 5 centimeter, cut an arc. It's clear, children? Then L to N is 8 centimeter. L to N is 8 centimeter. So take exact 8 centimeter as radius from L to point L to cut an arc. Radius 8 centimeter. Okay. Now this point is N. It's clear, children? Now join MN. So MN is what? 5 centimeter. LN is what? LN is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Now you got what? A triangle. So after that you are going to take a perpendicular bisector. You are going to draw a perpendicular bisector. It's clear, children? So you are going to take more than half. From L, take more than half. LM. From LM, take more than half. And from M, same radius, cut other arcs. Now with the help of the scale, going to draw a line, straight line. clear, children? And same way mn, now you are going to take m and n. Okay, take more than half, same radius, and from n it's clear, children? Now with the help of scale, draw a line. It's clear, children? Now this point from L and M intersect at point P, and this point is Q. It's clear, children? Now you are going to draw the median of LQ and PN. LQ, join a line LQ. With the help of the scale, join LQ. Then PN. It's clear, children? Now this point is what? G. This is the centroid of the given triangle. It's clear, children? Now you are going to write the steps for construction. Steps for construction. Steps for construction. First step, draw the triangle LMN using the given measurement LM equal to 7.5 centimeter, MN is equal to 5 centimeter, and LN equal to 8 centimeter. Step 2, construct the perpendicular bisector of any two sides LM and MN intersect LM at P and MN at Q respectively. And third step, draw the median LQ and PN meet at G. Fourth point is the point G is the centroid of the given triangle LMN. It's clear, children? This is the solution. You can see next sum, children. Question number 2. Draw and locate the centroid of the triangle ABC whose right angle at A, AB equal to 4 cm and AC equal to 3 cm. So given triangle ABC, AB of side 4 cm and AC of side 3 cm. Your right angle at A is given, so angle A is the right angle. So angle A is equal to 90 degree. Okay, children, this is a right angle triangle. So draw a rough diagram. Use right angle, children. So angle A is 90 degrees given. So I consider this A as here, right? Then B and C. AB is given as 4 centimeter and AC as 3 centimeter. With the help of rough diagram, you are going to draw a fair diagram. First draw AB equal to how many centimeter? 4 centimeter. Draw AB equal to 4 centimeter. AB equal to 4 centimeter. Then, so you have angle A is given as 90 degree. So with the help of protractor, you are going to mark 90 degree. Okay, see children, this line should intersect here, right? Should be a straight line. Check like this, right? So from here 90 degrees here. Keep point and extend the line, straight line. Now this line I consider as X. This is 90 degree. It's clear children? Now A to C, how many centimeter? A to C is 3 centimeter. With the help of scale, you are going to measure 3 centimeter. With the help of scale, you are going to measure how many centimeter? 3 centimeter. Okay, from angle A, you are going to take 3 centimeter and cut an arc. It's clear children? Now this point is what? C. 3 centimeter. Now join BC. Join BC. After joining BC, you get what? A right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Now I am used to find the centroid of the triangle. Now you are going to choose 2 sides out of 3. I am going to take AB and AC. I am going to take AB and AC and I am going to find perpendicular bisector for 2 sides. First I am going to find perpendicular bisector for AB. It's clear children? So you take more than half here from A to B. You are going to cut an arc. From B, now see children, now you are going to join the line with the help of scale. Let's get children. Now another side AC. You are going to draw a perpendicular bisector. More than half. Now join a line, select like this and draw a line, straight line. Both the lines should intersect here. Now you are going to draw the median of PC and BQ intersecting at G. Median of PC. So this point, I consider this point as P. This point as P and this point as Q. It's clear children? Now I am going to join the line from P to C. P to C. It's clear children? Same way from B to Q. B to Q. This is B to Q. See, both the lines intersect at point G. G is the centroid of the triangle ABC. It's clear children? Now steps for construction. Steps for construction. Steps for construction. Draw the triangle. First one. Draw the triangle ABC using the given measurement AB equal to 4 centimeter and AC is equal to 3 centimeter and angle A is equal to 90 degree. It's clear, children? Now second point is construct the perpendicular bisector of any two sides AB and AC to find the midpoint P and Q of AB and AC. It's clear, children? Now step 3, draw the medians PC and BQ intersect at G. Fourth step is the point G is the centroid of the given triangle ABC. It's clear, children? By this we are completing question number 2.